Pop-up ads are not just annoying, they can steal your data, slow your phone, and kill your battery. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to stop pop-up ads on your Android phone. Step 1. Stop pop-up ads in the Chrome browser. Most Android users browse the internet using Google Chrome, and that's one of the most common places pop-up ads come from. Open the Chrome app on your phone. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Settings. Scroll down and select Site Settings. Keep scrolling until you see pop-ups and redirects under the Content section. Tap on it and make sure the toggle is turned off. When this is turned off, websites are blocked from showing pop-ups or redirecting you to spam pages. Once that's done, you can exit Chrome and move on. Step 2. If ads are popping up even when you are not using a browser, that usually means an app on your phone is responsible. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now take your time here, look through the list and watch for apps you don't remember installing, apps with strange names, apps that look suspicious or unnecessary. Tap on any app you don't fully trust. What you can do inside the app settings: tap notifications and turn them off to stop pop-up alerts. Tap battery and restrict the app so it can't run in the background. If you believe the app is malicious or useless, tap on uninstall to remove it completely. Step 3. Even trusted apps can send annoying pop-ups if notifications are enabled. To disable notifications, go back to Settings, tap on Notifications, select App Notifications. Scroll through the list and find the apps you don't need notifications from. Toggle it off. That app will no longer interrupt you with pop-ups. And that's it. By following all of these steps, you are not just stopping pop-up ads, you are protecting your phone's performance, your battery life, and your personal data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.